Yeah, welcome to this video. And who will we play? Who will we play? We're in the pool. At this time usually we get paired up quite quickly. We got BB Perer from the United States of Amerikanski. I'm just gonna play the he's gonna play F4, okay. Me. Just gonna play the reversed London. But it's actually not as effective against this setup. Or is it? Or is it? Threatening this pawn, but it's not much of a threat. Let's see what he has in mind. He takes with a pawn. That's slightly surprising. And d4. Okay. I'll retreat my bishop. He plays c4. He's playing this confidently. But he does have a tender point there on b3. Let's probe it. See how he likes it. Bishop back. Yeah. Let's just go to a better square here. Maybe he wants to go c5. No, he doesn't. Should I go c5? I'm not sure. But I need to start making moves a little bit faster. I think I take on c4. He takes with a knight, but well, I'm not sure. I'm not sure actually. Let's start to get some scope for our pieces. Scope for our pieces. Lebensraum. Wir wollen Lebensraum. Do I really have to play f5? Don't see a choice here. Don't see a choice. I'm really slow somehow. Mediate. Let's get more scope for this bishop, I guess. Maybe f4 in some cases. But I'm down a minute. That's an issue. That's an issue indeed. Knight e1. But now take here. He's been playing this rather superficially. I'm gonna sack the exchange now, I think. Because I think he will play rook b1 at some point. What? He doesn't even take the exchange. In that case, thank you very much. We go here. We have f4 in some cases. Yeah. You have this move. I'm aware of that. f4. Pawn takes. Queen takes d4.
Check.
And here he doesn't really have a big choice. My bishop doesn't have a lot of squares, but I need to make a move. Oh man, come on. Come on, man. Are you kidding me? Blah. Let's just take this. What's the material count? Shit. Shit. Yeah, he's getting away here with complete murder, man. It's just complete murder. Complete and utter murder. Or is he? Let's not. No! Are you kidding me? This is unbelievable what he's getting away with here. Unbelievable. Man, this is just complete meltdown, man.
Check.
It's a complete meltdown. Oh my god, it's so frustrating because I might even have a fortress still. Unbelievable. Of course, he's never gonna give me a draw here. That was a free move I had. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. Yeah, that was quite disgusting, but yeah, I sort of lose focus a bit too much, and I probably should start playing a bit more in the 5-minute pool where yeah, I can get away with my line of thinking in this game. But okay, he's playing this setup, which is okay, quite okay. But I'm just playing the London system here, and but he played it very superficially. I mean, what the hell is the knight doing on a3? And okay, we take on e5, and I thought this was quite okay for me. c4, yeah. So probably I took too long to break with f6. I also always had the option to take on c4. After h4, let's say take, because well, it's hanging on b2. Just take with the knight. And I thought, okay, my knight gets a square, but on the other hand, he can play bishop a3. This becomes weak, and I'm liberating his center a little bit, so I wasn't too sure. So I went to f6, queen there. Yeah, maybe I should play bishop e4. Okay, no, I'm not sure. Because I want my bishop outside of the chain once I play f5, but that gives him the option of going queen g6. Although now I see that, okay, let's say we place like in the game, something like this. And let's just for argument's sake say that I play a move like this. He attacks the pawn, but I can protect it because the queen is trapped here. So maybe bishop e4 was a better move. Bishop h7 too passive, because now I'm locked in here instead of being here. Okay, here I decided to get some scope for my bishop. This looks good for me, and he's been playing this a bit superficially in my opinion, although it must be said his position is just fine. But here again, yeah, he played too fast. I mean, he has 2 minutes on the clock. I mean, he has a time match, but he could have used his time better here, and now he didn't see that obviously, and he's lucky here that he had bishop a3. I think he could have taken the exchange, but he didn't. Rook d8, rook b1, and now I found f4, which was a good move. Excellent move, opening up this diagonal, and if he takes with the pawn, then queen takes d4, check. And this should have been game over here. Should have been game over. Maybe I should just play a move like this. Queen e3, I'm threatening this pawn. I'm up, I've got 7 pawns against 5. I'm up 2 pawns a piece at the moment, but I can't save this. But I'm threatening to save it, and I'm threatening this, so what can he do? Bishop c1 maybe? No, well... if he gets away with that, that's unbelievable. But yeah, maybe I can just do this. I mean, he can take back, but then I take here. Okay, let's try queen somewhere. Yeah, but then I can take on e5, either with a knight or maybe the queen. Maybe. Yeah, this is hanging though, so let's be careful. She's somehow getting away with it. I think what I did was unnecessary. Maybe I have this also, because if he takes now, my bishop is free. I'm just up a bunch of pawns. If he takes here, then maybe I take this. But again, he seems to have resources here that he sort of doesn't deserve. I'm still up a bunch of pawns, but here I have to be careful because he has rook f8. This is unbelievable. So just it looks like he has lucky resources all over the place. So what happened instead was I took on b1. I took on f4. Queen takes. And queen takes d1 wasn't really necessary. Why not just go here? Well, because this will be hanging, but on the other hand, this will be hanging as well. So I don't know. This was a little bit desperate because I was getting low on time, and yeah, a little bit disgusted that my position wasn't completely winning at this point. But the key factor is that I've spent too much time here. And even here, it's probably better for me because yeah, it's just better for me. I win this pawn, but then I had a complete brain fart here. Complete brain fart, man. Oh, so annoying. To play a move like this or something. How does he ever do anything here? My king is safe on h7. This is protected. I'm sort of threatening this to go here. He can't really do anything. Let's see what the comp says. -4. Yeah, that's what I thought. So yeah, very frustrating loss, but can't win them all. I just hung my rook here. I mean, and even then, it might not be clear. Okay, he's going to be able to sack the bishop, but I didn't have the queen just yet, or did I? Well, I probably had to, but I probably should never lose here. This is. I think I can just set up some kind of fortress. Let's say I go here. Okay, you get this guy, but I'm like, okay, whatever. Just take it all. Just take it all. And how do you queen? You don't queen. So maybe he plays g5 at some point. Yeah, okay, he might win this, but I mean, it's still very difficult to win this. And if he's not careful, let's say he plays g5, queen takes. Wants to play h6, but let's say I play a move like this. Okay, this is getting too long. But my idea here is that if I can get my rook to the 6th and the bishop to a6, then maybe I have a fortress as well. That's probably a fortress. So let's say let's just say he plays here. Well, you would have to play. Okay, you can play here. Yeah, anyway, my point is, even here it should be difficult for him to win, so it was like, you know, 3 layers of luck, you know, from completely losing to only just losing to should draw, and then, I mean, come on. Yeah, but this is dreaming chess. If you don't take care of your time, you're gonna sometimes pay for it, and I paid for it, man. I paid for it.